Backtesting every day until unprofitable day 99. Yeah. Let's go. Welcome to V2. Okay. So this is where I left off yesterday. So yeah, at the highest that it has ever been, and break even on that last trade. And we are in July now, about to go to August. We'll see. Let's go. Okay. Use this to make the chart go full screen. Why doesn't it do it then? I don't even know. Alright. Okay. Weird. So put this on here. This on here. Okay. Yo, French toast. Yo, man. Let's see. So let's see where we were drawing towards. First see which date this is, so I can look it up in Forest Factory. 28th of July 2022. So now go to Friday. And then here as well. And then Friday the entire day trading because we have high impact folder news. I think it's bullish, but I have to do it all over again. Let's see. Oh, that was actually bearish. Yeah, we're still holding this. We do an SMT at this high, which is it's not a significant range high, but we do an SMT there. And then I was still looking for lower prices, I think. Yeah, because we didn't close above this yet. We have an SMT with this high now. Let's see here. I don't like this. Look for shorts here, but it is what it is. Are holding this singular 8-hour busy. And then on ES also. What strat are you backtesting? I'm backtesting the IVG model, the IVG strategy. So I'm gonna go into this day, see if I can find my setup in here, and then I'm gonna tell about it. Let me see, just looking at the structure here, does look like I'm gonna push lower, of course. Do have all these clean highs here still, which I also don't like. And yeah, the only thing that's saying bearish or bearish on a bigger time frame is because we closed below here. This is now the target, but this weekly should hold price to go or send price lower. It didn't close above it yet, so it's technically still respecting, also on ES. But we do have an SMT at this high, so that's the one thing. Yeah, it's going to be looking for shorts now. Even with this run, it's going to be entire day trading because of high back folder news. See, so just at a 1 minute here. I play this, and that was 8:30 news, so no other news. Let's see. Run higher. Alright, until 10 AM, which is here. Nothing here, waiting. See if we close above something in here though. There will be a singular 50-minute here inversion there. And then, okay, we do have these highs taken down, so we can have an SMT these highs, that's good. That's a significant range high. Okay, so let's see here. Let's see. Let's lock this in here also. See with this, we did take equal highs, have a busy here. Nothing here. 2 minutes, we did close below here after taking these equal highs, so this is the entry. So what I look for here, this is really high up. So maybe this isn't the best example. That would be the inversion. It's all low resistance, so that's the target. 1-1 break even, because this is beyond the 1-1. This is where I would be break even, but go to 1-1 break even. There. And on ES, that's here. So this is where I go break even, and then actual first EP would be a 1 and 2. And then that would be final. What's your hit rate so far per week? Hit rate? What do you mean? Like win percentage? So let's see here. Oh, literally with the tick. Oh no. Let's see. Still on the black line, break even. That's a break even now. 1 and 2 would be first EP, which is there. Stops now at break even. Wow, this is a beautiful run. Okay. On the chats, that's first EP, 75% off here. And then this is final, either NQ or ES hits it. Let's see. Or a break even. Or the market closes, which I don't think it will do. Alright, that's a break even now. Yeah, that was actually a beautiful example. Yeah, so win percentage. It's around 40. It's like after backtest a few years now. I would say like a extreme is 35%, or a extreme is like 50%. So in between there, 35 as an extreme, 50 as an extreme, and somewhere in between that's like a win rate. That's 40. Yeah, this is like extreme as well. Like this is pretty high, I would say. Average RR is pretty good. Yeah. But it does look really good. I'm gonna copy this in Notion. And always at the 1 and 2, 75% off. If the target is beyond a 1 and 3, like the first actual target is beyond a 1 and 3, which is here. Yo, Massa. How are you, man? What's your favorite food? Do we even have one? I don't think I have one. Honestly. It should be there. Break even, winners, losses. This was a nice W. And I would literally probably skip the entire day if this was live trading, but let's see what we did in the afternoon. So this is the PM session. I trade again then from 13:15. We don't have an inversion here, but we did close above this. ES did the same, so yeah, probably will be looking for the buy side up there again. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this and see what he did. Yeah, there's the buy side. Where there being set up in here? I think there wouldn't be. Maybe there was. 2 minutes. Yeah, there was. That was a really clean one then. In the right time as well. So took all these equal lows on yes. Inversion here. Closure. Stop. Start at least 1 and 2, which is not there, so we extend it until 1 and 2. That would be 75% off. And then that was already taken. So next EP would be, yeah, and I was still bearish after that high, so wait, actually let me check then, for just to be sure. Let's see, let's scroll all the way back in this price section. Then it would be, there would be full TP. Let's see what we did. Not gonna go back for it, but it would be a nice one. I'm gonna paste it in Notion. Or on ES, let's actually see on ES where it was. Go all the way back for this. Oh, yeah, so that already been hit. So that would be hit on 13:55. So it would be, oh yeah, around that 1 and 2, exactly 1 and 2. So 100% off there. That would be a nice one. Gonna mark this out in Notion as well. Not gonna go back and take it, but we'll mark it out in Notion because it's really, really clean again. Here. I'm good. You have like a schedule for when you stream or just when you have time? When I have time. What cuisine do you prefer then? What cuisine? What even is that? Like a drink? Wait, what? Food? Cuisine, food. Like like what is it? What even is that? Oh, from around the world? Ooh. Like cooking. Like wow. I'd say like Greece or something, maybe Greece. Let's see. I think that's a hard one. Like all of them are pretty good. What's yours, Masa? Like Chinese, Italian, Spain. Yeah, I think Greece then, yeah. Or yeah, no, Greece, yeah, Italian, well. Italian. I think Italian then, yeah. Italian, Greece. Like they're all good. Italian, keys. Yeah, Greece, Chinese. That would be the inversion now. Close below, and then still with the bearish bias. But I think actually Monday is the entire day trading, but we did close above here. Making this an inversion while the bias is still bearish, but the weekly now we closed above this. We did take the high here. This is the range high, so that's going to be the target now. And then same for yes, all the way up there. So I'm going to be looking for longs. That's the inversion, that's the inversion. Let's remove this. And then we're trading a lower into, yeah, we did close below this then. Let's see what we did on yes. If yes also closed below, and it's also going to be looking for shorts still on the like the intraday time frame. Also, yeah, probably 29 minutes, and then we close below. And then for yes, the target's going to be there. That's the range low then. That would be the sell side. Same for NQ. That will be the sell side. That will be, oh, it's actually all the way down there. For the range low, don't have to come there. Like yes, could take this and then we go higher, but it's gonna be looking for shorts at least until this low. We do have 10 AM news, which is BMI. What's your model? It's the IFEG model. I don't know if you know ICT concepts, but just got a nice example from that Friday backtest, which was this. So basically, what we do is we have I have a bias first, and then that's the only thing actually. Like I do have to see a bias, and that's really defined, so it isn't really like random or something. But what we do is we have a bias, and then yeah, let's say I was bearish here, then we create a structure, and then we have a singular BISI on a time frame. So we could have like a 1 minute, we could have like a BISI here, and then BISI here as well. But on a 2 minute, then we have like a singular one. So it has to be a singular one from swing high to swing low. If this get inverse, then that's like my entry. After taking also equal highs, so it has to be some sort of equal high. So we took out this high, we took out this high, 2 equal highs at least. So took out 2 equal highs, sweep that. And then basically the 2022 model, but it's like before that. So there would be A, B, C, and then below here, that would be the breaker now. This would be the SIBI, or the unicorn model, the 2022 model, but it's basically like I'm entering on there. And if you wait for the retracement, then like that's already, the move already happened. That's like the idea behind it, I would say. Yeah, it's gonna be looking for shorts. But yeah, that's simply the model, if I could simply say. I like Korean. That's also a really good one. I haven't had too much Korean, so I can't really say too much about it. But the Korean is good as well, yeah. What's something really good that's Korean? Let's see. And then 10 AM news. So 1, 2. It's now 9:45. I have to wait until 10 AM news, which is not here. And that's 10 AM news, but also they close back above this, so this would be a reclaimed BISI. And then on ES we did close below, but the bias is bullish, so I'm gonna use this as a busy again as well. So again, it's gonna be looking for a bullish price so I can lead all this. And let's see, there's no other liquidity but for these highs up here. Same on ES, I think. Yeah, we do have these on ES, but that's already taken on NQ. So just going to be looking for a trade towards those highs. So let's see here. Probably going to be a pretty bullish day looking at this. We'll see. Or is it got all these lows? Yeah, let's see here. Just skipping this, waiting for more structure. Drop lower. Okay, wait. Okay, no, nothing here. Okay, we do have a 2 minute here, or we close above, and then also with the bullish buy. So this would be setup. Don't really, yeah, do we got a retracement on this kind of like I've already seen it, but this would be the setup. Let's go back. Let's close this candle. So again, what we did now after bullish buys, we're trading towards the buy side up there. ES is like it's still close below, so this, like you can say that's like still an inversion, but because we closed above this on NQ and ES didn't, but NQ did, and with the bullish bias this should still support price higher. We didn't tap into it on NQ, but we don't have to, like the busy is here. Did take out sell side on this low, took out sell side on this as well, so that's basically like, I wouldn't say equal, but still we took out 2 lows, so we did take liquidity there. And then this would be the inversion where we close above, closing above with market execution would then be my entry, stop on a low. This would be my break even because it's in a balance there. This would be the break even on NQ, or we hit this high on yes, and then that would be break even, at least a 1 and 2 R for the first TP. There's a 1.96 R, so I extend it to 1 and 2. And then there's no other target there except this high. This would be on a 1 and 10, so it'll be a 1 to 5 full TP if you want to get there. Let's see. Let's see here. So that's already break even. Nice. Oh, this looks good. Let's see where the 1 and 2 was. That's right there. So let's see. Nice, beautiful. Wow, 75% off here. So only 25% running. It either gets stopped out of break even or a TP or the market closes. And then there's no other thing. So just letting this run. Let's see. And I think we'll be break even. Yeah, so that's a break even trade. But it did prevent me of getting fully stopped out, so that's good. So we're gonna copy this. Or actually not yet. Gonna paste this in Notion with this. It's on the top. That'll be the 1 of 5, but I know. Full TP. And then copy image. Look at that, that's just beautiful. There. Paste in here. Yo, Cold. If you ever went to Soju Bar or just tried Korean fried chicken? No, Soju Bar. What even is it? Like I went to I don't know if that's comparable. I went to a Korean what is it? Korean like Korean barbecue. What is it? I'm gonna look it up now. Let me check. What is it called? Korean barbecue, yeah. Like I really like that. Where are you from? I'm from the Netherlands, man. French toast. Where are you from? French toast. From French? From French. From France. Crazy day for spy. Yeah, it was actually. Let's see what the end of day did. Like, did you take any trades? Cool. I was looking for shorts. I was first looking for longs, and then later I was looking for, not yet actually, because we didn't close below this. So I was looking for today. We closed below this, but ES was still holding this 1 hour, single 1 hour basically. So I wanted ES to close below, but we had a huge retracement back up. And then yeah, I was only trading AM session, so there was nothing there. But look at that reaction, optimal trade entry as well. I do think that we're gonna go lower, but the overnight session, like London and Asia session tonight, is gonna decide that. Yes, that, yeah, I really like the Korean barbecue. So that'll be the Monday. Go to Tuesday now, where we also have high impact folder news. I will recommend you Steve Morrow Market Maker method. It will help you improve your understanding if you really understand it. I have heard of it, I think. Yeah, for now, the strategy, it's like I do still want it to improve. I'm gonna look into it. Market maker model, or market maker, if I can implement it somehow. But I will look into it. Thank you, Kurt. And on SPY, 1 on gold for 320 prof. I'm all the way from South Africa. Wow, nice, man. Nice. What is the weather there now? Is it like always hot there? Or? Let's see. So we did close below here now. So I think it's gonna be looking for short today now. So you have the inversion on there. Also have the singular inversion on here. Very close below, so the first swing low is going to be the target as sell side. Same on NQ. And then the open inefficiency. That's going to be on, all the way this low here. That's going to be the range low. Now for yes, it's here. So it's going to be looking for shorts until these lows. And let's see, until we close back above somehow or somewhere. So it's 15 minutes, we did close above. We didn't take out the range low yet, so yeah, nothing here. But I take all these highs here on NQ, it does look really equal. But I'm going to be looking for shorts, and again I have 10 AM news, which is Jolt's opening, job openings. Let's see. Trading higher still, trading into the inversion, getting a reaction out of this. Again trading into the inversion, now waiting until 10 AM news, which is 1, 2, there. We didn't take any liquidity, so still waiting for more structure now. That is the 4-hour candle opening. Look at that reaction of the inversion, that's just crazy. Oh, also in the sell side. So the sell side is now taken on ES. It still draws lower towards all the way low there, or the low there on ES. And then it's bullish again. So let's see. Okay, we did take all these equal highs here, like really clean equal highs, and then still draws lower. If we close below this busy, then it's going to be an entry, which we do. 1022 there. That'll be the inversion. That'll be the stop. Took out all these equal highs, even this high. So took out all these equal highs. Break even will be at this low, which is beyond a 101, so it'll be a 101 break even. So there will be the break even on NQ. ES break even will be there. Now first DP will be at least a 1 and 2, 2.26 RR. Actually, it will be extended until this low. That's already taken on ES, so it will be that low. And that's already taken as well, so it's just going to be looking for 1 of 5 because that's not going to be a hit probably. Or ES hits the low there, so let's see. So going to enter with this on a market execution, or with a market execution. Alright, let's see here. Also zoom in here for yes. Let's see here. Alright, so that's a full stop. Fortunately, no break even, just barely have a break even there. Copy image. That'll be a full loss. And then one loss on the day now, so I can take one more trade. Setup does form. It's still valid. They take buy side here. They take equalize on ES now. If you close below, oh no, not on a 2 minute, on a 3 minute. If you close below here, then still be an entry. Yeah, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nothing here. Still all on the right time. Again in the inversion. Go higher from here, and then I think this is gonna be at summer trading time now. See if we didn't close back above the inversion, otherwise it's bullish again. We didn't. Gotta go, but keep up the grind. Thank you, French Loads. Have a nice evening or a nice day. Don't know what time it is there. Can you see me your strat for today's SPY? I'm interested to see how many trades you would take. For SPY, that's like also the S&P, right? Or she bench 110. Yo, David. So yeah, let's see. It's still valid for me to take shorts. I'm gonna, I want to try that. Like on the S&P today. Nothing here, and this is gonna be outside my training time, after 11:15. Oh, which was already there. So into the PM session. Okay, so obviously looks bullish now. This hasn't been taken, this also, but we did close back above this, which is going to be reclaimed busy, so the bias again is going to be bullish now, obviously. And then wait, when this is going to close 12. Oh yeah, and this is now also an inversion, I think. Yeah, so this is also an inversion. I don't have to mark it out because we also have that reclaimed busy, and that was my setup. Or I was downloading something. Let me see. So on ES we have a reclaimed busy here also. Actually no, we didn't close above it yet. We have no inversion there, so that would be on the 1 hour or 30 minutes. No, it would be on 1 hour, so we have a 1 hour inversion there, but we probably will create like that reclaimed busy there. But it's gonna be looking for bullish prices now. This is gonna be the target. This is going to be the target on ES, and then beyond that again, the buy set up there, and then for ES also the buy set up there. Yeah, same and Q, ES for today. Yeah, I'm gonna look, yeah. Like in the AM session, I was trading the AM session, there wasn't any setup, so I know that. So I just can skip right away to the PM session. I can try ES. I think there was a setup on ES, but I don't trade ES, so that's why. So now again bullish. Do need to see manipulation lower, maybe into these lows. Okay, we do take the lows. Let's see where we are in this balance here as well. We do have a singular 30-minute busy here, which we are in. For ES, that's also a 30-minute. Let's see. Oh, let's see here. Wow, chopping straight through that in the reclaimed busy, and then on ES is that reclaim now, or that's the inversion, and then we were still respecting that. Have a huge drop lower, but still a buy set up there. See what we do now. 1339, still drop lower. It's still bullish, so if we set up those form, then I'm taking it, which we didn't close above there. We did here after obviously taking equal lows, and I think on ES even more clear. No, wait, did we then? Yeah, no, I think we even didn't, no. Take out this low, but there was no low there. And then on ES, this low. And okay, there was this low here. Okay. So that's going to be the entry in the right time as well. 54, so that's in the right time. 1 more minute after, and then it wouldn't be. Stop at the low. Break even at a 1-to-1, because I would be break even at this year, which is beyond a 1-to-1, so it'd be a 1-1 break even. Alright, let's see here. Oh, place order, save. First TP is going to be a 1-to-2 inside of this market maker buy model. At least a 1-to-2, this beyond a 1-to-3. So at least 1-to-2, that would be first, and that would be final if you want to get there. Let's see here. So I already took a loss on this, right? Or was it? I did take a loss on this, right? I think I did already. So this would be the last trade of this day. Okay, so that's a break even. Oh yeah, and the break even would be on ES. And Q the sides, so it will be on ES the same here. But we didn't hit it, so 1-to-2 first TP if we want to get it. Stops now, break even. Nice, so that's it. Nice, let me actually take it off here. Bit higher. Okay, nice. 75% off there. That'll be around the trade. Take or was it? Take profit. And then that will be final TP. And on ES that will be let me check. The same high. Oh, and exactly the same high. Okay, just a bit short of the high, so it'll be right there. It doesn't really matter. But I want to have it consistent. So let's see, stops are break even now. Or the market closes, which will be, or outside my trading time, I mean, which will be 15:08. How do you combine school, work, and trading? Like I work, I still will have school on Monday and Friday. But I also work, but have like, I can make like my own schedule and work. So I made the schedule basically so I can still trade today. So I just worked around trading times basically. So a lot of mornings where I work, and yeah, basically the mornings, yeah. And then the afternoon, and then from after, yeah, trading. Let's see. Oh shit, 15:10. 15:08 opening would be here. Shit. Let's see if I can get it back to that. Okay, nice. That'll be 100% off there. Ooh, there. Wait, what? Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work? The hell? Why is it being so current position, use left, save. I think it's broken. Okay, let me just go back on this and then take it again. This is weird. Okay, so there. Oh no. It was on a 1 minute, like literally on a 1 minute entry, which is crazy. Place order. Like these are really good examples. And then the 1 and 2 will be right there. Yeah, exactly at the high, so 75% off there. Okay, nice. And then that line there, which is 15:08, which is around, let's just go to 15:08. And then it must be the opening. So as soon as the candle opens, so the close of these 15:07, 100% off. Yeah, nice. Okay. So what's the R on this? 1.68. 15:08. 1 and 2. Yeah, okay, let me go to NQ now on today's price action. I want to see. Copy image, because that's also like backtesting, right? So that would be another win. Crazy. Really, like actually crazy price action I'm getting. So that's good. Yeah, let me go to the live charts. Let me see. So I was actually bearish today, so I'm gonna be, or let me just look like without a bias. Like I would be bearish today, but let me just check also for bullish setups. So just looking from 9:30 because I don't trade after. One huge candle swept liquidity, which was, where was it? One huge candle swept liquidity. Oh, this one then, or this? Let me see. Let me go to the 1 minute. Nothing here. Nothing here. Wait, let me. Oh, that's already on. Okay. So nothing here, and then there was nothing here. I know, but maybe for yes there was. No, also. See if there was a short in here. Or what was it? I was bullish today, not bearish, sorry. I was bullish today. I think there's set up here on yes. No, there isn't. This after 11:15, so here I close the charts. That would be first stage distribution. That would be second stage distribution. So this would be a valid trade. 11:23 short. IVG, we failed to close above this high. That's like a variation. Can be a SMT or turtle soup. When we are at least above a second stage distribution. So this would be original consolidation. This would be market maker sell model. This is low risk buy. This would be first stage distribution. This would be second stage distribution, or I'm expecting like from here, this would be second stage accumulation. So also second stage distribution because it's in a market maker sell model. And then we failed to close above this high without taking equalize. We don't have to when we do that. So failed to close above on either NQ or yes in this case both, or have an SMT. So closure below on this, stop at the high. That's the entry with the market execution. Stage of accumulation in here would be the first TP. Wait, what? I think the TP wouldn't be hit here. At least need to be a 1 or 2, which is this low. Oh, which is already taken on ES. Let me check then. So that would be this low as first TP, which is beyond a 1 or 3 RR. So it'll be a 1 or 2 fixed TP, which literally barely got hit. And then final TP would be at the sell side there, which would be a break-even trade after. So yeah, well, would be a W then. Let's see if there was a bullish setup. Take up one low, nothing here, nothing here. What is this price action? Nothing here. I think there would be something in here. Let me check. Okay, yeah, we did take equal highs. Fell to close, or did close below here. Let's see what ES did at the time. There. Closure below. Stop at the high. Taking this high and then also this high. So take equal highs on this one swing high here. That would be the entry. First TP needs to be at least a 1 or 2. Break even would be at this low. And let's see where ES was. Or break even here on ES, but I think you already hit it earlier. At least 1 or 2 TP. This would be the 1 or 2 TP. And eventually would be hit. Also, very nice. And then, oh, that would be 75% off. And then let's see, was that already taken on ES? That would be full TP, which wouldn't be hit then. So again, would be a break-even trade if you were still holding at 50.28. But 75% would be off there. See if there was anything else in here. So just now W's. You're at start of day. I mean later on. Maybe I'm bugging. Yeah, I'm bugging. Don't worry. Okay. let me see here then. Did I equalize on this? Close below here. Like I'm not looking at time now as well. Like all the things that I normally look at. So I equalize on this swing high. This swing high didn't take out this swing high, so it's still valid in this fractal model. This is the inversion. That's a closure below. First TP would be at least a 1 or 2. Which is going to be this low here now. Or that's beyond a 1 or 3. That's actually one with 0. Or 3.03 R. So that wouldn't be first TP. It would be a fixed 1 or 2. Which wouldn't be hit, but I think it would be... is this beyond a 1 or 1? So it'd be a 1-1. Okay, so it would be a 1-1 break even. So it would be a break even trade on this. Let's see if there was anything else. 2 minutes. Again, we sweep out this high, sweep out this high on this one swing high here. Equalize here. The singular inversion. So on the 1 minute, we have a busy here. We have a small busy in here. And I go to 2 minute where we have one busy. Then we close below with this candle. That would be the entry. Stop at the high. Break even at this low. Think. Let me see. Yes, didn't take it. No. So break even at this low. This would be first TP. It's not a 1 or 2, so it'll be extended onto a 1 or 2. Or is that a 1 or 3? No. Yeah, so this also would be a break even trade. Let me see if there was a long in here. Great day for you. Yeah, but it's outside my trading times. It would be crazy, but it's not in my trading times. Would there be anything here on yes? Took equal lows here on yes. This looks very bad, but here is the singular inversion. And then this low, or no, nothing in here. Yeah, so still this is valid then. This took out all these equal lows. Oh, wait, what? Yeah, equal lows here. And ES closed above with this candle. Stop on the low. First would be at least a 1 or 2, which would be there. Break even would be on ES would be here, which is beyond a 1 1, so it'd be a 1 1 break even. Yeah, and this would be TP then. That's crazy. Yeah, it would be a crazy day if I was literally taking every setup. But it isn't always like this. Really, not always like this. And this was all outside my trading times as well. But well, that's actually crazy. Like if I could make a bot which literally trades my which literally is trading like my strategy, I really like would be curious how it would perform. Like I'm really curious about the stats then. Let me go to the backtesting now again. Like just if it was literally 100% mechanical, like if the setup forms, that's an entry. Like no bias, nothing, no time. Literally if it forms, then I would be curious what the stats would be. Let's see here. Bullish for tomorrow. Yeah, for now it's actually looking still bullish. Like NQ did close below. We're about to close. Oh, we did close back above this. So yeah, so we still have this. We have optimal trade entry where we trade into. We have this reclaimed BISI where we trade above. And then yes, we're still holding the singular BISI here. So yeah, it does look bullish for me now. Like if this was New York time, like we could literally do anything now in Asia and London. But this would be the draw, this would be the low hanging fruit, same on yes. And then I'm actually looking for bullish prices. So again, these are going to be a target. And then on the 2-day, we're still respecting this singular BISI here as well. I thought that maybe Monday and Tuesday was going to go close below this and then these lows. And then same on yes. Like these lows were going to be a target, but now that we're respecting all of this, still going to be looking for bullish price. But the overnight session could literally change anything, and that means like taking this high maybe, and then yes doesn't, like have an SMT or both take it, and then when New York's about to open again, then we close back below here. Like it really depends on what we do in the overnight session. Always. But look, just looking from now, it looks still healthy bullish, I would say. Let's go to the next day here. Just gonna be, did you take any trades today, Cool? Go to Wednesday where it's also the entire day trading, also 10 AM news. And did close above this, creating a, what is it? A reclaimed BISI. ES trades above this, I think 1 hour. Yeah, so this becomes an inversion. Then we have this really clean highs up here, which are going to be the target. Same on NQ, or same on yes, I mean. Yeah, really clean. And then yeah, bullish prices again, looking for bullish prices. We do have really clean lows here, which maybe we could trade lower, maybe back inside of BISI and then trade higher again. In like the Judas swing, but we'll see. 10 AM news. So after 9:45, no trading, but we'll see. Let's see. Okay, trade higher. Nothing here. 9:46, now I have to wait until 10 AM news, which it did take this high, not even news, which is here. But still the bias is bullish beyond that. So I do think that we're going to trade, like maybe create some structure here and then trade towards the high. Still the bias there. So, and we do have a singular BISI on a 50-minute here. And then for ES, nothing. We do have a 50-minute there. That would be a singular 50-minute, yeah. So we do have a singular 50-minute here on ES, which if we don't have to come into that, but from there I'm expecting from price to go higher. But yeah, we don't have to come in that. If the structure forms here and the setup forms, then I can still be looking for longs. Let's see, I think this is instantly a long. We took out this low on ES. This would be the inversion on NQ. NQ didn't take out any liquidity, but ES did. That's going to be the entry. The closure above. Stop at the low. This would be the break even. Place order. So that's a break even trade from there. And then first start is going to be stage of accumulation. This market maker buy model going to be a target. But we don't have any. So it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2. Because this is 100% outside of a 1 or 3. So it'll be a 1 and 2 first TP. And then if this is inside of 1 and 10, which it isn't, then 1 and 5 will be full TP. If we even want to get there. So let's see. Okay, so that's a break even. Like this is beautiful again. Gold long for like $328 pounds. Pound. Well, how do you say it in English? Pounds? Pounds, of course. Gold long for like 320 pounds profit. Nice, man. Like where were you trading it on a live account? So let's see. Yeah, beautiful. That's hit. Let's see if I can actually take it off. Okay, so that's a break even, but I need to actually take it off. So I'm going back on this. That was the entry, place order. So let me see. That was on this. Oh, actually should have been on the other candle. Yeah. Okay. Let me go back one more time. Okay. There. Okay. Yeah, so that candle, and then I took like 80% off because I know I would be break even, and just didn't hit that. Like 80, that's maybe too much. Like 77% off, and then that would be break even, of course, because otherwise I couldn't take it off. Okay, so break even and see what we did after. Did prevent me from getting fully stopped, so again, beautiful trade. So I'm gonna mark this out. Like literally from these trades, like the strategy looks perfect, which it isn't. Like no strategy is perfect. But yeah, now it looks really, really good. But normally it isn't like this. Of course, there are of course setbacks as well. But yeah, no, it's very good. So there. And we're also in August. Like we have really good price action. We just in August, but yeah, in August I was expecting like not really great price action, but it still looks fine. Yeah, that'll be the entire day again. Let's see what we did after. I'm not gonna go take another trade, even though I think check out this low. No, that would be break even trade. Yeah, that wouldn't be any other setup in here. Whatever here. This is second stage distribution. No way. There. That would be the break even. No, would be a 1-to-1. Let me check here. Okay, yeah, that'd be crazy again. 1-to-2 would be first TP fixed, and then same story. 1-to-5 would be full TP, and the stops now are break even. See, yeah, that would be crazy. I'm gonna not take this, but I'm gonna mark this out in Notion. This is just crazy, just for an example, because this would be the market maker buy model, fractal market maker buy model. It doesn't matter how you see it, but like this could be low risk buy, first stage distribution, or low risk buy, first stage distribution, second stage distribution, second stage accumulation, like the same thing. And then we didn't take out equal lows, but we felt the close below this candle and above second stage distribution. And then I haven't had some tea at that. Doesn't really change, but crazy. So let me just eyeball this. Like here, just so I know. Crazy. Now it looks like why don't I take a second trade even though I'm allowed to? But normally it isn't like this. Like sometimes, of course, like you don't want to have a nice W on a day and then have a loss on a day, and then I would still be up, but I would be down less than, or I'll be up less than I was or would have been. So like realistically I wouldn't have taken another trade after W, so I'm not gonna do it in backtesting as well. So yeah. Going to the next day now. Or that was even the PM session. Oh, that was in the right time, I think. Was it? 11. Oh yeah, that was 11:05, of course. Yeah, 11:05. Wow. So 13:15. I would be trading here again. No way that this would be again. Okay, so this again would be a setup. Closure above this. This would be the break even. Same on ES. They're really tight break even on this. Break even on this, and then or that on ES, and then 1-to-2 would be first TP, which is really, really high. Didn't take out the high yet. Okay, now we did, so now it'll be break even. Yeah, so that'll be break even trade literally on those candles. Let's see what we did after. And nothing really. Okay, just going to the next day now. Should be Thursday, and the day before NFP. Didn't even know it was an NFP week. But won't be trading the day before NFP. NFP, which is Thursday, so I won't be trading that. So I'm going to Friday now. Huge drop lower. Still really bullish on a bigger time frame. The drop lower didn't really matter. See what we're holding, what kind of imbalance we're holding, or what imbalance we're holding. So we have a singular 12-hour BISI here, which you are holding, and then on NQ, it will be also a singular 12-hour BISI. Tap CE of this would be the low-hanging fruit. Same on here, and then yeah, I want this high to get taken and then trade through here and then towards the buy side up there. So let's see. Do have all these clean lows here, which hasn't been taken on NQ already, but we'll see. No other news. Let's see here. Nothing here. Nothing here yet. No. Nothing here yet. Now I have to wait until 10 AM, which is here. See 4-hour candle opening. We didn't take out any liquidity yet, so we have to wait for more structure. Do trade higher, which is nice, but no entry yet. Drop lower into this low. Only has drop into these equal lows, but yeah, it'll be 1 SIBI here, 1 SIBI, so it'll be a 2-minute, and there won't be a swing low. So still need to see more structure. Okay, we do drop into these equal lows on this one swing low. If you still go back and then trade above this, that would be a trade, which is literally what I said. It's gonna be the last trade, and then I'm gonna end it here. That week entry, stop at the low, taking out equal lows. Break even will be at this high, which is beyond a 1-1, so it'll be a 1-1 break even. And on ES it would be that would be here. So it's here. That's break even. And full first EP would be a 1 and 2. Smart make a buy model. This is the original consolidation, be on a 1 and 3, so it'll be a 1 and 2 first EP. And that will be final if you even want to get there. Let's see. Okay, so that's an instant stop. So we're gonna put this in Notion, and that will be 2 losses on this day, which is crazy. Just not a lot. So let me remove all of this. Let's see. Where ended it? So I ended it on that was right here, I think. Or was it? Yes, I think here, and then I took a W. I took a 1 loss, yeah. Break even, break even. I took a win, I took a break even, I took a win, I took a loss. Wait, and actually it was 10-6. 10. Oh wait, what? Oh no, I ended somewhere in here then. Oh yeah, I ended here. So yeah, here took break even, break even, break even, win, win, loss, win, win, loss. I took, let me count now, 1 win, 2 wins, 1 loss, 3 wins, 4 wins, 2 losses. 4 wins and 2 losses, crazy. Then that is July, and it crazy results again. Yeah, beautiful, wow. And then this is the only thing, like look at January, look at February, look how crazy price action was there. Like really, or February is not even that bad. But January just ended in drawdown. And like that's the thing I do see repeating. So yeah, that's like why I want to backtest, of course, as well. I've said it many times, but I want to backtest like 5 years of data, and then out of those data, 5-10 years of data, maybe even. And out of that data, I want to see, okay, maybe out of those 10 years, if I have 10 years of really bad average Januaries, like get bad results on those Januaries, and I can literally make the conclusion, because I want to do this long-term trading, then I can make literally the decision of, okay, I'm not going to backtest January. Maybe when I'm a full-time trader, I'm going to take the entire January off. I'm gonna be on vacation the entire January. Like maybe that could be a conclusion. Yeah, what else? What else? Yeah, that'll be it. Yeah, gonna end here. See you.